Okay, so this is how I clean my bed with some isopropyl alcohol, and I use a tissue every time. And to get rid of this, I printed something. Let me show you. So, something else is ready. This is what I have printed. This is a bed cleaner. So basically you cut a piece of cloth and you put it here, and I might need some more cutting, but this is what it looks like. It seems like I need to cut it a little bit more, but yeah, then you get yourself a nice bed cleaner. I did trim off the axis and see how nicely it closes. So yeah, we have a nice cleaner. Using it to clean my MacBook screen as well. So yeah, it's good.